The Power of Unspeakable Emotions. Understanding, can't put into words. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, can't put into words. This phrase is a treasure in the English language, often used to express the inexpressible. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these nuances can enrich your communication skills. Let's explore together what it means, when to use it, and how it can add depth to your conversations. The phrase, can't put into words, describes a situation or feeling that is so complex, overwhelming, or extraordinary that finding the right words to describe it becomes impossible. It's about the limitations of language when faced with the depths of human emotions or experiences. When someone says they can't put something into words, they're acknowledging that words fall short of capturing the essence of their feelings or the situation at hand. Emotional expressions. Use can't put into words when trying to describe profound emotions, such as love, grief, awe, or joy. It's a way to convey the intensity of what you're feeling when simple descriptions won't do justice. For example, the joy I felt seeing my child for the first time is something I just can't put into words. Extraordinary experiences. This phrase is also perfect for recounting experiences that are breathtaking or life-changing, such as witnessing a natural wonder or achieving a long-sought-after goal. It captures the essence of those moments that leave you speechless. Standing atop the mountain, looking at the vast expanse below, I realized it was a sensation I couldn't put into words. Acknowledging limitations. Acknowledging that some experiences or feelings are beyond words is a sign of humility and respect towards the complexity of human emotions and the world around us. It can be a powerful way to express empathy or solidarity with others. Hearing your story, I'm moved in a way I can't put into words. While discussing can't put into words, it's essential to highlight the role of nonverbal communication. Since the phrase admits the limitations of verbal language, body language, facial expressions, and other forms of nonverbal communication become crucial in conveying those indescribable feelings. A hug, a tear, or a smile can often communicate what words cannot. Understanding and using the phrase, can't put into words, opens up new avenues for expressing our most profound emotions and experiences. It reminds us that some aspects of life are so powerful or overwhelming that they defy simple description. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the depth of the English language and encourages you to express your inexpressible feelings in your unique way. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.